Okay, this is a really cool bird feeder. It has a built-in camera with battery and solar panel to keep the battery charged. Within hours of putting it up, I got this guy to come visit. I call him Billy. I don't know if it's a guy, whatever. So this thing, it can be removed, and then you see you can put in a TF card slot. You can turn it on and off. You can charge it via micro USB. It is waterproof-ish. I don't know to what extent, but yeah, it's really cool because it takes video of birds as they fly up to the bird seeder. Instantly setting this up, I had birds. I set it up on the table, fell over. I don't know if this was because of the birds or wind or whatever, but I decided I needed to make a base or a stand for it. So I got some 2x4s, threw this together real quick. This has worked a lot better for me. It doesn't fall over anymore. So that's kind of what I want. But Billy really loves to visit this bird feeder. He comes all the time, every day, and I think he might scare other birds away. And oh, come on, what are you doing, dude? He's yeah, just leave the seeds in there. I don't care if you don't like it. Yeah, Billy. I thought when it snowed, maybe birds wouldn't come, because they can't see the seeds. But here's Billy, and he's like, "Hey, I know there's seeds in here. I'm gonna get them." So yeah, he's persistent, but we like Billy. He keeps us company. I think he's got a couple friends, some other blue jays. I think this is a blue jay, so you can actually kind of look up what type of bird this is with the bird feeder. It says it's some sort of scrub jay. I'll talk about that a little bit more, but sometimes it will be activated if it starts snowing or raining or a bit windy, or if my son decides to come put the seeds back to where they go. Thanks, dude, for doing that and helping out, being a part of the team. So here's something I learned after getting this bird feeder. Apparently birds find seeds just by looking, just by sight, which is crazy because right after I set this up, I had Billy come visit. He's always been around our house, so I guess he's just looking all the time for seeds. But we have finches that come and visit as well. It's really cool to be able to get notifications on your phone that a bird has arrived. You can look at it live, or you can see the past footage of the birds. I want to mention that this was sent to me for free to do this video review. I've really enjoyed having it. The bird feeder I think is absolutely perfect. I do want to talk about the app for just a bit because I think that's where there's some room for improvement. The app itself was really easy to set up and get going. I like that it notifies you when a bird comes. The UI for the app wasn't super intuitive. I didn't really know exactly how to turn notifications on or off. If the little bird notification button is highlighted in blue, that means it's on. If you turn it off, you don't get the notifications. The app allows you to view a live feed, or you can go back and see previous footage that it has recorded and stored onto the TF card. But one issue I've run into, and this isn't an issue with the bird feeder, but simply because it's outside, it doesn't get a great Wi-Fi signal. So a lot of times when I'm trying to look at the live feed or previous footage, it's really slow to connect. So that's something you need to be aware of. And that's actually why I built a stand for it, and I set it up because I can move it to different places. I can find out where it gets the best Wi-Fi, and I'm still trying to figure out where the best spot is for us. So if you're thinking of getting this bird feeder, that's something you should be aware of. Maybe build something like I did so you can move it around, or just put it where you know you definitely get a good Wi-Fi signal, because that is going to have an impact on how fast you can get the video footage. I actually brought the bird feeder inside just to see how well it works when it's close to a Wi-Fi router, and it works flawlessly. It's great. You can instantly view the live feed, and it's really easy to go back, look at previous footage, download the footage, and do everything you need to do. The app UI is not super intuitive to me. It took me a while to figure out how you can do bird identification, but I found out if you're viewing previous footage of a video and you take a snapshot of that video footage, try to get the whole bird in the frame. But if you take a snapshot, then you can go back, look at the snapshot, and there's a little bird icon. You can press on that and it will look up what the bird species is and bring up the Wikipedia article. So I did this a few times with the same bird and I got different results. So obviously it's not 100% accurate. It kind of depends on the angle you're getting of the bird, but I found that this is a really great way to just basically get the family of the bird, and you can kind of go from there and determine what the actual bird species is. This is a really cool idea for a bird feeder. Just having it outside, looking out the window, seeing the birds go to it, and then having the video footage on your camera. If you like birds, and who doesn't? you should get this bird feeder. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.